Hi friend, the real JJ here. Welcome to another beautiful episode on my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you know how we say it. You're super important and you're what? You're most definitely welcome. It's been a long time since I came up on your face. I trust you've been super amazing. Okay, on today's episode, it's a DIY thing. Yeah. Let's see how I create my own lip scrub to maintain my lips and chaps. You can of course copy this and make yours at home. Yeah. So guys, like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel. You can of course click on the notification button below to get first-hand information as soon as I post a new video. So without much further ado, let's get right straight into the procedure. Enjoy! Getting straight into the shea butter recipe, we are going to put shea butter into a small bowl. Add sugar. You can use brown sugar if you have it. Add honey too. Lime or lemon is optional for this recipe. It's not compulsory. I'm so sorry, I'm not good with measurements, but as Africans, we just put our ingredients till ancestors tell us is enough, my child. Okay, mix generously till all ingredients are well blended and put your scrub into a small container to have it well preserved. Please store it in a cool and dry place. Straight to exfoliating, get you a small cute tip and use it to apply your lip scrub all over your lips. For this recipe, you can allow it to sit for 5 minutes. That is if you have enough time on your side. But if you do not, you can just go straight to scrubbing immediately. Scrub in properly. Scrub. Take a piece of towel to massage in the ingredients all over your lips properly and also to get off the sediment off your lips. After doing that, get a lip balm that has enough SPF in it and apply it all over your lips. Please make sure you apply it on the outline of your lip just to maintain your lips unchapped all through the day. There we go with the recipe, guys. Please try it at home. You can put it up on your social media and tag me to see. Straight to the coconut oil recipe, we are going to put coconut oil in a small bowl. Add sugar. Like I said, you can use brown sugar if you have it. Put honey. For this recipe, lime or lemon is not optional. You just have to put it. So you're going to squeeze out the juice out of your lemon. I am using lemon. You can use lime if you have it. Then put the juice into the other ingredients and mix generously. Make sure to mix properly so you wouldn't have the sugar sit. Sorry, I'm not good with measurements. Mix generously, guys, because you do not want to have your sugar sitting below your container. Get your small container and put in your scrub rather. Sorry. So get you a cute tip and use it to apply the lip scrub all over your lips. For this recipe, guys, you do not have any option. You just have to allow the scrub sit on your lip for 5 minutes. So to get the ingredients well seated in properly. After 5 minutes, get a piece of towel and use it to massage in the scrub just as you're simultaneously scrubbing very well. Straight up, we're going to get a very good lip balm that has enough SPF in it and apply it all over our lips. Like I said earlier, please put it on the outline of your lip to maintain an unchapped lips all through the day. there we go with the recipe, guys. I trust you enjoyed it.